You want a truth bomb? Here it comes. Motivation is a lie. The word itself sounds sweet, like a boost, a push, an energy shot. But it's a trap, a fleeting high that fools you into thinking you're ready for battle, when really, it's just a cheap buzz. Motivation is not what builds empires. It's not what turns boys into kings. No, motivation is just a temporary feeling. And feelings, they're unreliable. Motivation burns bright, but only for seconds. Like fireworks on the 4th of July, it's all flash and no fire. You wake up one day feeling unstoppable, then the next you're flat, lazy, useless. Andrew Tate says motivation is for beginners. Discipline is for winners. Discipline is what makes you get out of bed when your body screams no. Discipline is what pushes you through long nights when everyone else is asleep. Motivation? That's for the weak who quit when the going gets tough. You see, the difference is simple. Motivated men wait for their feelings to align with their goals. Disciplined men don't wait. They act regardless. They build habits so powerful, motivation becomes irrelevant. Wake up. The world isn't on your side. Social media, advertisers, the system, they don't want you to be disciplined. They want you to be hooked on motivation. Easy, fleeting, addictive. Motivation is a matrix trick, a sugar-coated poison designed to keep you distracted. Motivational memes, videos, and quotes, they give you a sugar rush. You feel pumped for 5 minutes, then back to scrolling. Wasting time, living average. Motivation is a performance-enhancing drug for slackers. It makes you think you're doing something when you're actually doing nothing. Real power doesn't come from feelings. It comes from relentless action, from the grind you put in when no one's watching. Here's the real deal. Discipline hurts. It's uncomfortable. It's lonely. You'll want to quit every day, but guess what? That pain is your price of admission. No pain, no progress, no discipline, no legacy. Andrew Tate's brutal truth. Men who live by discipline own their lives. The rest are slaves to motivation and to excuses. You want to be free? You want money, power, respect. Stop waiting for motivation. Stop looking for inspiration on Instagram. Build discipline muscle instead. Step 1. Stop trusting feelings. Feelings lie. Step 2. Create daily routines that demand your presence no matter what. Step 3. Set goals so clear they burn in your mind, but don't rely on wanting to do them. Step 4. Train your mind to act even when tired, scared, or bored. Discipline is a lifestyle. It's the constant commitment to show up, even when your brain screams no. And the beautiful part? Once discipline takes over, motivation becomes a luxury, not a necessity. So here's the truth, plain and simple. Motivation is a lie designed to keep you stuck. Discipline is the truth that sets you free. Becoming a winner means choosing pain every day, choosing to act when you don't feel like it, choosing to rise while others sleep. Andrew Tate says motivation won't build your empire, discipline will. If you want power, real power, then kill motivation, build discipline, and watch your life change forever. Subscribe now if you're ready to stop chasing lies and start building your empire.